In next series, we are going to find the value of specific trigonometry functions, trigonometry angles like theta is equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. By this chart, easily way you have to learn. Suppose that this is your angle theta, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In trigonometry ratio, there are 6 trigonometry ratio. First, sin theta. Value of the sin theta, if theta is equal to 0 degree, so sin theta, sin 0 degree, that becomes 0. Sin 30 degree, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 upon root 2. Sin 60, 1 root 3 by 2. And sin 90 is equal to 1. Value of the cos theta, if theta is equal to 0 degree, reverse of the sin theta, cos 0, that become 1. Cos 30, that become root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 upon root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. And cos 90 sin 0, that becomes 0. Reverse of the sin theta. Similar way, we know that tan theta is equal to, it is defined as ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. So division of 0 with respect to 1. So this value will be 0. And after division 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, that become 1 upon root 3. So tan 30, 1 upon root 3. Similar data, it is cancel out, that become 1. So tan 45 is equal to 1. 2 to cancel, so tan 60, that become root 3. 0, after division from 0 to 1, that is your infinite. We know that reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So value of cot theta is 0, reverse of 0, numerator upon denominator, numerator upon denominator, denominator upon numerator, that become infinite. Root 3, 1, that becomes 1 by root 3, reverse of infinite. That similar way, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. So reverse of 1, that become 1, reverse of root 3 upon 2, 2 upon root 3, reverse of 1 upon root 2, root 2, reverse of 1 upon 2, 2, and reverse of 0, that become infinite. And last trigonometry ratio is cosec theta. Cosec theta, and cosec is the reverse of sin theta. So reverse of 0, that become infinite. 1 upon 2, 2. 1 upon root 3, root 2, root 2. And root 3 upon 2, 2 upon root 3. And 1. Reverse of 1, that becomes 1. Similar way, cosec 0 is equal to infinite, cosec 30 2, cosec 45 root 2, cosec 60 2 upon root 3 and cosec 90 is equal to 1 and tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Similar way, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. By this chart, easily way we have to find value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree each and every trigonometry ratio. Thank you.